Hello, my dear students. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time that you watch the video, my friends. This is Miguel, my friends, and today we're going to learn how to use which for the past, okay? Which is using which in English. For example, I wish I had caught a bigger fish. I wish I were a better fisherman. Let's start, okay? Using which. We use which to say that something is not the way we want it to be. We use the verb to say we desire that something to be true, even if we can't change it. Let's look at some examples. I wish I were rich. I am not rich, but I am saying that what I would like to be true. Mark wishes he didn't have so much work to do, but the real is that he has to do many things, okay? We wish we had a bigger house. However, we have a small house. Remember that after which, you have to use the verb in the past. Look, I wish I were, or the negative. I wish, Mark wishes he didn't have, or the simple past. Okay, we wish we had. Okay? Remember, after wish, you must use the verb in past and the negative form, okay, for simple past. Think about the grammar we use when we use which. Tim's family wishes he worked less. I wish my family lived closer. Put the verb wish in simple present tense. After which, put the verb in simple past, okay? Note, even though we are using a past tense, verb after which, the meaning is not past. We are imagining a situation that is contrary to the reality. More examples. I wish I spoke French. I don't speak French, but I wish I did. Sam wishes he were taller. He desires something that is different than the reality, okay? Here, my friends, with wish and verb in the past, you are speaking about the present, but referring about situations that are not real, okay? Situations that are contrary to fact, okay? Contrary to the real life, okay? We use which and unreal conditionals together to express an idea. For example, I wish I lived in Paris. Or you can say, if I lived in Paris, I will see the Eiffel Tower every day. Remember, friends, you have two options. Option number one is which clause, and number two is second conditional or unreal condition. Both mean the same, okay? You are complaining about the present, okay? You want a change in your life, but it's not real, okay? Now, the contrary is real life, okay? It says, which plus simple past. It says, to decide a situation that is different from the present. I wish I spoke Spanish more fluently. Or I wish I had more money. Or I wish I were a millionaire. I wish I had a bigger house. Okay? Remember, this is a complaining about the present, okay? You are imagining situations that are not real. Very good, my friends. So thank you for watching this video, my friends. And please remember, tip number one, watch the video from beginning to end. Tip number two, please make notes on this grammar structure. And tip number three, please do or make your own sentences using the structure, okay? Thank you very much, my friends, and see you next class. Thank you.